is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. So I don't have Realty Income in my M1 Finance Dividend portfolio. My goal is to get to 200 plus shares of Realty Income. And I really had to think about this and implement my investing strategy because I'm not yet at 200 shares. So I'm going to go over how many shares I own. I'm going to explain to you why I really like Realty Income. As part of my monthly dividend investing strategy, my goal is to get $2,000 to $4,000 a month in my monthly dividends, $2,000 to $4,000 a month in my quarterly dividends. So I'm going to go over my strategy that I plan on doing, and I'm going to jump to my etrade dividend portfolio today. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out my Realty Income investing strategy right now. First, I want to go over Realty Income as a stock or a real estate investment trust. I'm going to do a quick stock analysis compared to the S&P 500. It is not beating the S&P 500 in the past 5 years. That makes it very attractive for me. And even before the pandemic hit, it has not done very well. So for me, as a dividend investor, well, actually, it did do pretty well before the pandemic. It's struggling to keep up with the S&P 500. I'll just correct myself. But thing with Realty Income is how big it is, how powerful it is, and how strong the monthly distribution is. So we're going to go over, I'm going to do a quick review on the company a little bit, go over funds for operation, revenue trends, and dividend history, and I'll show you what I plan on doing with my Realty Income investing strategy. So first, I'm going to go on their website. Realty Income is an S&P 500 company. It's a real estate partner with the world's leading companies. Founded in 1969, they invest in diversified commercial and real estate and have a portfolio of 15,450 properties in all 50 U.S. states, UK, 600, and 6 other countries in Europe. They are known as the monthly dividend company. They have a mission to deliver stockholders dependable monthly dividends that grow over time. Since their founding, they've declared 652 consecutive monthly dividends and are a member of the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats Index, having increased their dividend for at least 30 consecutive years. So consistency and size. 15,450 properties, that has my interest in them. That's why I'm holding on to them, and that's why I want to get to 200 shares. Let's go over their portfolio. So here's their top 10 industries. They have grocery stores, that's 10.2%, convenience stores, 9.4%, dollar stores, 6.6%, home improvement, 5.9%, drugstores, 4.9%, restaurants or quick services, 4.9%, automotive service, 4.6%, health and fitness, 4.5%, restaurants and casual dining, 4.2%, general merchandise, 3.3%. So here's our top 20 clients they have. Dollar General, 3.4%, Walgreens, 3.3%, Dollar Tree, 3.1%, 7-Eleven, 2.6%, EG Group Limited, 2.2%, Wynn Resorts, 2.1%, Lifetime Fitness, 2.0%, FedEx, 2.0%, BJ's, 1.6%, B&Q, 1.6%, ASDA, 1.6%, Sainsbury, 1.5%, CVS Pharmacy, 1.3%, LA Fitness, 1.3%, Tesco, 1.2%, MGM Bellagio, 1.2%, Walmart, Sam's Club, 1.2%, Tractor Supply, 1.2%, AMC Theaters, 1.1%, Red Lobster, 1.1%. Not really a big deal if Red Lobster goes down because look at how big they are. So let's go over some more information. The one thing I want to also go over is their occupancy rate. It is 98.8%. That is quite attractive. That shows to me a strong occupancy rate, a big portfolio of tenants. I mean, a lot, as you watched previously what I went over with how big they are. They're in 50 states and the UK. Now, the most important thing, yes, they have an occupancy rate of 98.8%. How is the revenue? We have to go over funds of operations. That's very important. So I want to go over the company highlights right now. For the 3 months ending in June 30th, 2024, net income cares. I don't really care about net income. I care about FFO. And I'm going to be honest with you. FFO is very strong, and that's a good indicator. If I like dividend growth, and it's a monthly dividend, when I see FFO per share increasing, or AFFO, I like that. So right there, adjusted funds for operation per share increased 6% to $1.06 compared to the 3 months ending in June 30th, 2023. So that's one thing that's important. So the CEO comments right there, I am pleased with the continued momentum and acceleration compared to the first quarter, as evidenced by AFFO per share growth 6.0% compared to the same quarter in 2023. So that's very strong. And let's look at some of the data. So revenue, okay, remember 90% of what a real estate investment trust makes, they have to go back to investors. Okay, just remember that. So right here, the 6 month ending in June 30th, 2023. We'll start with that part. The total revenue in 2023 was 1,963.6. That's dollars and millions of US dollars. 2024, 2,599. So that's an increase. Up. That's good. Okay. Funds for operations available to stockholders. Again, millions US dollars, 2023, 1,372.3, 2024, 1,714.6. FFO per share. Okay, let's go the 6 months ending in June 30th, 2023, 2.05, 2024, 2.01. But the 3 months ending in June 30th, FFO per share, 2023, 102, 2024, 107. So we went over the AFFO per share. 2023 is $1. 2024, it's 106. The normalized FFO per share, 102. 2023, 107. So we have an increase in revenue. That's one thing that's very important, is an increase in revenue with a real estate investment trust. That usually, that's not all the time, but it usually increases the dividend when you see an increase in revenue and AFFO per share increasing. So now we have to go to, I'm going to go over the revenue trends from past years as well. So I'm going to go over revenue trends annually in millions US dollars from 2013 to 2023. 2013, 780, 2014, 933, 2015, 1023, 2016, 1103, 2017, 1215, 2018, 1327, 2019, 1488, 2020, 1,647, 2021, 2,080, 2022, 3,343, 2023, 4,078. So you're seeing an increase in revenue that is very attractive to me, which is going to cause me to reinvest my dividends and find a strategy to get more shares of Realty Income. And I'm going to explain that to you shortly on eTrade. Now, I'm going to jump to the dividend history of Realty Income. That's important as well. So I'm going to start in 2016, monthly dividend, 20 cents. 2017, it jumped to 21 cents. Then in 2018, 22 cents. Then in 2019, 23 cents. Then in 2021, so 2020 was 23 cents, 2021, 24 cents. Then in at the end of 2021 in December, 25 cents. So then it cracked 26 cents in, appears to be March 2023. And it's slowly increasing its dividend over time. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 3.04%. Again, it's a monthly dividend. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 23, because it's slightly going up. Now, it's kind of rounded on the Zacks.com, but it is slowly increasing its dividend. You bought one share, you made $3.16, with a 4.92% dividend yield. So a little bit of a high yield dividend stock or REIT for me. That's what I like. And then I'm going to jump to my strategy with Realty Income and what I'm doing to get to 200 shares. Right now, okay, in the month of November, I'm expected $450. Let's estimate it again, $450 in dividends. So again, that was probably going to come from Arbor Realty Trust. So what I can do is use, instead of reinvesting the dividends with Arbor Realty Trust, use the passive income that I've earned from Arbor Realty Trust to throw into Realty Income each quarter. So that's one thing that I plan on doing. The next thing, gain. It's monthly dividend, Horizon Technology Finance, EPR properties. I can use that income to throw into Realty Income. So 4001 a month. Again, this is estimated. 1640 and 850. Throw that in Realty Income. So that way I can almost buy 2 shares. It looks like, because Realty Income 4363 is what I'm earning. So I can almost get to that point. I haven't decided if I'm going to use Main Street Capital as well and then change my mind with that, or it's a really good headache to have. But can I reload all that money that I earn and throw it into Realty Income, allow Realty Income to reinvest the dividends, get to 200 shares, and then maybe focus on Agree Realty Corporation on here and use the passive income from EPR, Horizon, and Gain to possibly throw in a Agree Realty Corporation, ADC, on here. So that's one thing I have in mind with the income, because if I can get to 200 shares, reinvest that with O, or throw the income in O into Agree Realty Income, or throw the income in O each month to throw on M1 Finance with a new share of O. There's a lot of opportunities, and it's a really good headache to have. But to use the passive income from Main, EPR, Horizon, and Gain to get me to 200 shares of O, and again, Arbor Realty Trust and Key Corp, I make right around 100 quarterly. Think about what I can do to get to my 200 shares a month goal. So let me know what you think of this video. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. If you're new, again, I try to post a lot of videos for you guys. So these videos are free. I provide my rationales with my dividend investing strategies with stocks and REITs like Realty Income. So you guys take care and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Yes, I do own shares in Realty Income, and I plan on being long in Realty Income unless something drastically changes or happens. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor and a tax advice from a tax advisor. So go to your financial advisor, go to your tax advisor for financial advice and tax advice. Again, investing anything, you don't have to buy anything I buy. I'm just showing you my rationales in my dividend investing strategy for entertainment purposes only. You take care and have a good one.